Welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to look at a general activity and revise the alkanes, alkenes, alkynes, and haloalkane homologious series. Let's start with the first one, and I'm going to give you a mixed exercise where I would like you to give the IPAC name for the following structures. So this is structure 1. Again, for time-consuming purposes, I will not be writing the hydrogens, but please remember to add them in your textbook. Question 2. Give the IPAC name of the following. Question 3. Give the IPAC name of the following. Question 4. Give the IPAC name of the following. And those are the 4 questions. All right, let's start and go and answer them. So we start off by circling the longest carbon chain, and we need to number them. Just get into habit of numbering all of them anyways, even if it is an alkane. So this one will be pentane, pentane. Next one. Circle your longest carbon chain and then go and number them. Starting at the side where the most is happening. There you go. So we have bute, but we have a double bond at carbon 1, butene. Next one. We need to circle the longest carbon chain and number it. Starting at the side where the most is happening. There you go, we have 5, which is pent, and a triple bonded carbon 2 ine, pent2ine. Next one. Let's circle the longest carbon chain, but we have some additional branches. We have 2 chlorines, and we have a bromine. Now let's start numbering at the side where the most is happening. And that will be on the right hand side. Oh, wait a minute. That will be on the left hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There was meant to be another carbon here, therefore it is 7. All right. Now we can go and name it. We know it's 7 and it is an alkane because it is single bond. So it is heptane. And now we have to add the branches. Remember, the branches comes in alphabetical order. So it is 3 bromo. Remember your dash or your hyphen between your numbers and your names. And then we have 2 chlorine, guys, 2 chlorines at carbon 4. So we will have to indicate the 2 positions of the different chlorines. And therefore 4,4. Because it is at 2, there's 2 different chlorines. Let's say one of it would have been on carbon 5. Then it would have been 4,5. But now both of them are on carbon 4, so it's 4,4. And here comes the other trick that so many people forget about. 4,4, because there's 2 chlorines, we have to use the word di. 4,4 dash dichloro. Heptane. 3-bromo dash 4,4 dash dichloroheptane. If by any chance we would have had 3 chlorines, let's look at this example. This is a heptane. We have chlorines at carbon 2, and carbon 3. So it's 2,2, 3, and then dash, because it's 3 chlorines, it is trichloroheptane. If it was 4 chlorines, it would have been tetra. So let's just look at these additional names. 1 chlorine just stays chloro. But the moment you have 2, you have di. 3 chlorines, or bromines for that matter, will be tri, and 4 will be tetra. Alright, so well done for all of your attempts. That's it for this lesson, and we'll go on to the next lesson, and there we will have a look at the next homologous series called aldehydes.